Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change the view on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the Find application, and now let's just say we are in the Documents folder. We wish to change the view. The current view at the moment is on Show Items as Icons. We will now change this to, let's just say, List. We can now change to Column. If I were to, let's just say, click on a folder, it would expand within that column. One more time. Now we can also change to Gallery. If I were to go back one, click on Gallery, we can now see every folder, photo, document within the gallery. Let's go back to Icons. Click on Documents, go back to Icon, and that's how you change the view within Finder. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.